Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome to our guide on how to start a small business online. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey in the digital realm. First things first, let's dive into finding your niche. Explore your passions, interests, and skills to identify a market gap. Research tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, or social media analytics can help you understand market demand. Next up, craft a solid business plan. Define your business model, target audience, revenue streams, and marketing strategies. This blueprint will be your roadmap for success and a crucial tool for securing funding or investments. Now, it's time to establish your online presence. Create a professional website that reflects your brand identity. Utilize social media platforms strategically to engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. For those diving into e-commerce, understanding the essentials is key. Focus on user-friendly design, secure payment gateways, and efficient shipping methods. Providing a seamless buying experience is crucial for customer satisfaction. Promotion is the heartbeat of any business. Explore various marketing strategies such as SEO, content marketing, influencer collaborations, and paid advertisements. Tailor your approach to reach and resonate with your target audience. As your business gains traction, focus on scalability. Delegate tasks, expand your offerings, and invest in technologies that streamline operations. Stay agile by adapting to market changes and continuously evolving customer needs. Congratulations! You've learned the fundamentals of starting a small business online. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay persistent, embrace learning, and don't be afraid to pivot when necessary. Your journey as an online entrepreneur begins now. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us on social media for more insightful tips and strategies. Until next time, best of luck on your entrepreneurial venture.